She said she likes it. Kind of mustard.
Corner of the cob.
Can you pass one of them down to me?
Just simmer it down there,
just
Sparky.
Put your hands on it.